I got some more Midland weather alert radios. I got 3 of them. This will be setup 1 of 3. A couple weeks ago I had a situation where I was working on something in the garage and I had the door open, I had fans going, I had parts I was working on out in the yard, and a pop-out thunderstorm come and an alert was issued, but I didn't hear it because the radio was upstairs and I was in the garage. And so out of nowhere, in the middle of my project, I got wind coming down, lightning striking everywhere, rains, water's pouring all over the place. It was a disaster. So I think it's important, especially with how erratic the weather has become in recent times, to have these and to have them all over the house. So I have one in the computer room already. I'm going to put one here in the living room. I'm going to put one in the garage, and I'm going to put one downstairs. So hopefully, anywhere that I am in the house, I will be able to receive the alerts. This is a pretty good radio. I've used one of these for years. It's a simple and reliable piece of equipment, and I really think that every household should have one of these because this is much more reliable than the stupid alert on an iPhone or whatever stupid nonsense people use today. So let's go ahead and open this up and install it here into the living room. Midland early warning is your best protection. All hazards weather alerts displayed in English, Spanish, and French with easy programming. It's amazing how long this weather radio has been around. Not this particular physical radio, but the system itself has been around for a long time. And it's still going. These are still produced. The box is set up pretty nicely here. Okay, we've got the instruction manual. So a lot of commentary in here, but this is good. Looks like it's all written properly, no Chinglish. And here's the radio itself, which is made in China. Ooh. Really should be made in USA. And the power adapter is in this box. And why it needs to have a plastic film is beyond me. What a waste of materials. More plastic film. Okay, so here's the radio. Now hopefully there will be a reception where I want to put it. We do have a channel that covers this area, but it's not the strongest signal. This is where I'd like to put the radio. I'll put it here behind the plant in the corner. So I got some batteries. I got 3 AA batteries. And here's the power cord. I got a power bar right behind the table on the floor, so we just need a length that goes from the bar to the top of the table, which is maybe, let's see here, a little bit more than this. Probably that much is good. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so I'll go ahead and plug this in. It goes here, and then the battery goes in here like this. And I'll open the things. Okay, it's plugged in now. So let's see what we got. We need to set the language. Okay. And so you could customize this to, I think I'm not sure exactly how wide the area is, but your specific county or something. I never got involved in that. I just, you know, it only covers the, like, this state and the one over, and usually the weather from the other state comes here, and it just doesn't matter to me to have an additional couple warnings that I don't need. Okay, so it is 8:43 p.m. Whoops. Oh no. Alright, we'll have to go back.
Some roads in low-lying property, including parking lots, parks, lawns, and homes, businesses.
Perfect, it's getting a clear signal.
Forecast challenges. There is still
162.475 megahertz is the channel that we use in this area.
the magnitude
It's
of
number
wave
4.
effects over schools and like that is at 9:20. For this reason, this coastal flood.
Okay, setup done. Now I gotta go back and fix the time. I like to turn that beep off. In here, since I don't sleep in here, I think we'll leave it on, because I'll look at it to see the time. And that we're going to turn off. We'll keep all the alerts on. Okay. So that's it. It's ready to go. I'm going to turn this all the way up.
Becoming northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 90%. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Here is the extended forecast. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60.
Oh, it's getting some
Wednesday,
static.
sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Wednesday night, lows around 60. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s.
Okay, so
Saturday, mostly.
the reception's a little weaker than I would like. I might have to put it somewhere else, but this is, it'll sit somewhere on this table. I'll have to move it over or whatever, but it'll work here. So this one's this one for here. I got the one in the computer room, and I'll do 2 more videos for the one downstairs and for the one into the garage.